The early days of romance run on a chemical high. It is a sudden, intense burst of biological limerence that feels permanent, but it carries a strict expiration date. We are conditioned by the happily ever after myth to believe that commitment is the finish line. We assume that once the vows are exchanged, the hard work is over. Human connection is governed by psychological entropy. Like anything in the physical universe, the bond between two people naturally degrades if left unattended. Without the daily insertion of deliberate energy, this slow degradation leads to a total collapse of the system, resulting in silent resentment. Lasting love is a dynamic structure. You have to wake up and intentionally protect it against that natural decay every single day. The bedrock of that protective structure requires a precise balance of two distinct elements: grace and truth. When you avoid difficult conversations to keep the peace, you pay a steep price. Swallowing your true feelings breeds an invisible resentment that rots the foundation from the inside out. Practicing radical honesty is deeply uncomfortable in the short term, but it acts as a crucial release valve. By speaking up, you prevent highly pressurized grievances from taking root. For this to work, both partners must cultivate a psychological safe space. You have to be able to voice a hard truth without triggering immediate retaliation or judgment. Mutual respect and unapologetic honesty create genuine emotional intimacy. It is the strongest base defense you have against the natural drift of human connection. Once the foundation is stable, the focus shifts to the active, daily habits required to keep the emotional tether strong. Taking someone for granted acts as a silent killer in a long-term partnership. It slowly erodes your partner's sense of self-worth and strips away their feeling of being desired. Actively vocalizing your appreciation serves as a direct countermeasure. When you consistently validate the person in front of you, you reinforce a positive feedback loop of affection. There is a sharp difference between mere physical proximity and true, uninterrupted quality time. Deep, attuned connection requires focused attention. Consistent nurture transforms your partner from a background fixture in your life into an actively valued, lifelong collaborator. Even with strict maintenance, friction is inevitable. Every long-term dynamic operates on a continuous cycle of rupture and repair. The central psychological pivot for a successful repair is how you handle the initial impact. When hard emotions surface, replace immediate judgment with active curiosity. Harsh judgment only prolongs the hurt, triggering defensive walls and escalating a minor rupture into a severe fracture. Curiosity de-escalates anger, safely examining the root cause of your partner's pain instead of attacking their surface-level reaction. This mutual de-escalation creates the necessary conditions for genuine forgiveness and moving forward together. The efficiency of these repair mechanisms often determines whether a partnership can withstand the weight of accumulated friction over decades. There is a strange paradox to deep intimacy. A successful, tightly intertwined relationship relies entirely on the independent strength of two separate individuals. Continuous personal growth prevents the dynamic from collapsing into codependency. By maintaining your own self-worth, you constantly bring fresh energy and new perspectives into the shared space. Nurturing your sovereign self ensures that you are actively choosing your partner from a place of wholeness and strength, rather than relying on them to complete you. Proactive maintenance frames forever as a continuous daily practice. A partnership lasts when two people wake up every single morning and relentlessly commit to fixing it, growing it, and choosing each other all over again. Look at your partner as a lifelong collaborator. The intentional habits you practice today will build the shelter that protects you both tomorrow.